Growing buyer interest leads to fewer contracts this week, and rising inventory poses a challenge for sellers on the Maryland Eastern Shore as days until a contract continue to climb upwards. It's Friday, February 7th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Inventory is up 5.3% from last year this same time and up a full 34% from February 2023. 1,562 homes are offered for sale right now at 92 days on the market. Homes coming soon will contribute another 117 properties to active inventory. 140 properties went under contract since last week. 108 homes settled at 96.5% list to sold ratio, with days on the market at 32 days this week. Homes for lease fell to 125 at $2,000 median dollars per month. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, February 7th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next Friday. Take care.